Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing how to send an email whenever specific time is reached. Okay, like if you see this record is at today, it reaching at 10:30. So at that time, this flow should trigger and send an email to that user on the specific time. Means whenever the specific times reach, okay, like on this time, at that time the flow should trigger and send an email to user. So to achieve this scenario, we have some limitations. Okay, if you we not have the trigger, okay, whenever this time is reached to trigger the flow, so this is one of the condition. Second condition is like we cannot be trigger this flow, okay, and each minute or each second to see what action we have. Okay, so let's we go and see how we can achieve this. So let's I go in Power Automate. I use a recurrence trigger, okay, and set a frequency to the day, and then let's we select the time zone. So time zone is, if you see the SharePoint time zone, if I hover on that, so it is US Canada Pacific time. So let's we select the same one, US Canada Pacific time. So we selected this. Start time is, we will set it to the, we will set this blank, so it will trigger whenever the new day start. Okay, runs every day. Okay, enter the valid minutes value from 0 to 59. So we not need to write anything. Let's we go in the settings, concurrency control. We will turn off this, so we not want to trigger this multiple point. Let's we go select the standard connector. Let's select the SharePoint, and we will select now here list row action. So we have used here get item action. So what is our aim now? So what we'll do, for that specific day we will try to fetch the all the records, okay, and then we will sort that all the records and then try to send an email to the users. Okay, so let's we do the first action. Let's select our Power App projects. Okay, let's select the list YouTube. Click on the show all. So we need to write and filter query, so we will return the that current day all the records. So let's we write a filter query here. So here you can see we applied a filter query here, send on should be greater than 2 days. Okay, the morning time we are taken and the ending time. So to take the internal name of your column, you can simply apply the filter, and here you will get the internal column name. Also you can go to the settings. Okay, in the list setting, just click on the column. By clicking on column, at the top of the URL you will also get the name. So let's we go and click on send on. So if you see here, you will get the internal name of that column. So let's we go and run this Power Automate flow. First let's click on the save. So I just save the flow and click on the run. So flow is run successfully. Let's go and see what output we are getting. So in the output section we are getting all the records, because our all the records is of today. Let's we go and perform the next actions. So in the plus icon we need to sort this. So for that purpose we will use one compose action here. Okay, and in the compose action we need to sort this. Okay, so we will use their sort function. So let's click on the power effect, click here sort. Okay, in the sort we need to use the array. So I will use the this one, and by which column we need to sort. Okay, so let's we use the column name here, and then we simply use the column name here, send on the basis of this we need to filter sort. So I just given the column. Let's click on the update. Let's rename our action here. Okay, sorting, and then we will use here one more action. Okay, so now let's use apply to each actions. Let's go in the controls. Let's select apply to each. Let's select the output of our sorting here. Okay, and in the apply to each we will go and add, go to the built-in connections. In the schedule we have delay until action. We'll use this action. Let's use from dynamic. Instead of dynamic we'll go to the power effects, type here item. Item represent the current row. Okay, and we will give here send on the column name. So column name you will get it from here, the same one that we have on the sorted array. So this one, let's we go and add one more action, send an email. Send email v2, send an email v2. Let's add this action here. Let's click on the dynamic content, power effects one more time, item question mark. We will go to the users column. Users. So let's see what is that. User, in the users we need the email. So let's go to our power automate. Give here one more question mark, curly brackets, string format, and just simply use this. So user email id we are getting from here. Subject will give the time when this flow is running, time. So let's go to the dynamic content. The same thing you can just copy it from here. Okay, send on action, and you can give the title here. Okay, from the get item also you can take the title, but it will go under the loop. So what you have to do, just go in the power effects one more time, item question mark square bracket, simply title, and just click on the add. So our entire flow is builded. Let I explain in the short what we are doing here. So first we are doing the recurrence every day, getting all the item for that specific day by using get item action. Then we are sorting that in the ascending order. Okay, means the first date which flow is running the first, it will come at the top, and then we are using apply to each action and using the delay until action. So whenever we have the like flow is running like specific minute or second, till the time this will hold that flow and then it will run. So this flow will run only single time. It will save the API cost, it will save the costing of our flow. That's everything it will do. This is the best approach to handle this type of scenario. If you have any question, any doubt in this part, just let me know in the comment box. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Have a nice day to all. Let's we run the flow as well. Okay, so you will understand. Here it will go in the wait. Okay, so that's why let's run.